What's up, guys? Welcome back to Austin Makes Stuff, and today I'm just kind of coming out here and laying it all on the line for you. Why I haven't been doing videos as much as I have. This is why. This right here where we're standing, this is why I haven't had a lot of videos coming out. We've got this awesome garage that is connected to our house. I say the term garage, but it's kind of the mixture between a garage and a carport. There's 3 walls and then this big opening. The problem with this big opening is there's several problems with the big opening. It's hot during the summer, it's cold during the winter, and when it rains out there, it rains basically in here because we're on top of this hill, and I mean the wind just whips in here, so any rain that comes in heads to the back of this place. So everything in here really gets drenched, which makes a really big problem if you have a shop, because you've got some expensive tools out. Like I've got a bandsaw, I've got a table saw, miter saw, and they really have to be protected, even though they should be protected already. Because they're in this garage, you would think that there would be some protection, but there's really not, because the wind just whips all the water to the back. Like I need to take all the rust off of my bandsaw. And actually the 2 blades that I have for it are pretty much done because they're just so rusted. So in order to fix that, we have kind of gone through a couple of scenarios on how we could fix it. One thing I know that y'all be thinking is, well, why didn't you just put a garage door on it? Which would work out really good, except the garage door opening that we have is larger and an awkward size basically for garage doors that you can buy off the shelf, which just means that the price is, it's out there. I can't afford it. And that's why like a lot of this stuff is, I do it as I can afford it. Another thing that you might be thinking is, well, you could, build a wall out into where a garage door could fit in. And that's what we were planning on doing until we just kind of figured, you know what? Why don't we just put in a nice set of French doors? Because really when it comes down to it, this space out here is connected to our home, so if I get a bigger shop, this could just become a den or a playroom or, a place where we just have football parties. But in the meantime, the French doors will be really great because I have to keep my lawnmower in here. And so I can just open both of those and get the lawnmower in and out, and we're good to go. So kind of giving you a rundown of what we've been up to in here. This was all sheetrock, and as you can tell, like this back wall is still sheetrock. The ceiling is still sheetrock. The ceiling's in pretty good shape. I'll probably just throw some mud up there and kind of smooth everything out. But I've gone through and I've pulled all the sheetrock off these sidewalls because I'm adding insulation in there. So pulled all the sheetrock off, ran some electric while the sheetrock was off, and I added insulation in all of these walls. So when it's said and done, I'm gonna have an insulated shop, and it's gonna be awesome. I haven't finished this back wall yet, and really I haven't finished any of the walls, but I haven't, I've got a special treatment on this back wall that I wanted to show in the form of a video, so stay tuned for an interesting, cheap way to do shiplap, because I'm going to do it on that wall. Then I'm going to come through, fill in all the nail holes in this plywood, and paint it. I'm going to come in and paint this whole place, make it my shop, my studio, a place that we're going to be able to pump out some content, some videos, some how-to videos, some product reviews, etc., so on and so forth. And I can't wait, and I'm so excited to do it. I've got a Harbor Freight dust collector in the storage here that's been in there a while, and I'm just so excited to get it, hooked up. But I haven't wanted to pull it out and set it up over here in the corner just to get it like drenched with rain and rust out on me. So I'm excited to get it out, excited to get it hooked up to the tools, make this a safer space to work, make it a more functional place to work, and really take you guys along on the journey with me. Hope y'all stay tuned. If you haven't already, I hope you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like. I put out new videos as often as I can. I hope you all have a good week, a good rest of your year, and I will see you again in 2019. Thanks. Bye.